on a very wet and windy December the 1st, 2025. We're last day today at Ashfields Caravan and Touring Park just outside York, where we've been here for the weekend for the Motorhome Happiness Christmas rally. So we all went, itchy nose because of the wind, we all went out yesterday to York to the Christmas markets, which was nice, and then we all sat and had a takeaway in the club room on site. So this is it. This is Ashfields Caravan and Touring Park, just outside York. We're here. We've been here since the Thursday afternoon, so it's now Monday. So we've done Thursday afternoon, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday morning we're going to leave here about 12:30 and go back to York Beechwood for the week. So I'm working this morning, and then we leave and do the 5 miles up to York Beechwood again. Right, so here's our pitch. We're on pitch 29. Judy and Kevin next to us on pitch 28. And then Richard and... forget Richard's wife's name. I'm very sorry about that. Richard and... no, it's gone completely. Totally. These are new people we never met before, so apologies for that. Seasonal pitches here. Nobody's in them because today, the 1st of December, is the last day that the site is open. So after that, it's closed now till March. Now we've got pitches everywhere. They're not the longest pitches in the world, but, you know, they're fit Connie. So we've got members here, members there, members here. Have a quick walk around the park. It's not the biggest in the world, and you can hear the motorway, the road. So that's the main road. That's the A road. Bins and water there. As you can see, it's rained an awful lot. Actually, I probably don't need my hood on, do I? No, it's not too bad. It's rained overnight, and we have had a bit of a leak in the van. When we came here, we had water coming in from one of the skylights. So I think I need to reseal that, to be fair. More seasonals around here. As I say, there's been nobody on site other than us. More pitches. There's Connie. Here we've got Steve and Judith Fox. We had Emma and 32 paws here somewhere. They went yesterday to get home in time. And then we've got Ken and Karen and James and his mum, Dion. And then we had Holly and her mum and dad on this pitch. And they left yesterday as well. So we're going to be the last people on site, and we need to go to the shop and get some more power because it's metered here. So this is the site. I've walked around it. This is it. This is the entirety of it. There's your bins and your water. Motorhome. Service point. No water for us to be emptied there, so there's no service point there. Looks like there is no grey waste dump point. No water for us to be emptied here. So rubbish bins there, so it's drinking water, but no rubbish grey water emptying. And this is a massive pitch, this really long pitch. I mean, we should have been on that really, but we weren't, so neither here nor there. And then down here is where we spent the night last night in the room. This is the some recycling. The shop and the office. This is the room here that we spent the evening in. It was quite cold, so we had the heater on, information board, and this is the shop is open between 9 and 10 Sunday to Friday, 5 till 6 again, and then Saturday 9 till 10, 12:30 till 1:30, and then 5 till 6. So still got some more COVID stuff on. We have to drop off our power card. You get a credit card to fill in to stick in your meter and you charge up. Communal area for the summer. Communal barbecue. This looks good in the summer. It'd be great for meetups. As you can see, there's trees. Don't climb on the trees. There's swings for the kids. It's not adults only, but there's no kids here at the moment. No dogs in the area. Okay, this is your dishwashing room. The standard fare. Everything's on automatic lights. Just a standard dishwashing area with a bin. Oh, we're getting a cold. All these new people that we've not met before coming into the same room together, giving us a cold. Okay, so your grey waste goes there, but we don't have a grey waste tank. L-sand point in there, so that's not too bad. Disabled facilities. Can I go in there? Do you need a radar key? No, I can go in there. There we go. So, big shower, toilet, sink, your standard fare for your disabled facilities with the radio on. So, I've already done a video of the gents' toilets because they are there's radio on there, and I don't really want to get copyright strike. So this is the entrance to the toilets. You've got a little area there, and there's the gents' showers and facilities. Quite funny that. Got Christmas. That's 1st of December. Got Christmas music on. Right, let's see if we can go in here and just see whether I can show you what's in this room. Yeah, I can. Right, so this is the room that we had all our meetups in yesterday. So there's normally a tennis table in the middle. All the seats, we had this big table here in the middle. That's all the stuff for Motorhome Happiness. And there's a camping kitchen, which has fridge, microwave, yeah, but no sink. This is the problem. There's no sink, so you have to go and use the pot wash for your water. That's in there. And then this is the laundry room. So you've got, that's an air awning for some reason. I don't know why that is. Door in there, don't know what that is. And then you've got washing machine and tumble dryer. So 150 15 minutes. £1 coin and 50p, so it's not tokens, it's just money, and then £6 for a wash. So you're looking at 10 quid for a wash, aren't you, really? So tokens for the washing machine, money for the dryer. So it's not too bad. Yeah, use the box on the wall for payment. Okay, so big industrial washing machines, they look pretty good. No washing powder or conditioner, just pods only. Ooh. Okay, well, there you go. There's your, you sign there, and then there's an iron, which you don't have to pay for. So, plug sockets in here, you could use with an extension cord to go into the room here to bring your own heater if you're in, because there is one plug socket round here, which is there, which is where the that heater was on, but it wasn't warm enough. So there's no plugs. The plug sockets down there are blanked off. Well, there we go. Anyway, that's it. That's the room. So that's where we stayed 2 nights. Everything's automatic lights and things like that, so it goes off when no one's in it. That was it. So it was a good night, but it was cold, even with 10 or 15 people in there. So yeah, if you're gonna come and have a meet up, bring lots of heating. That's it. That was the room. And there's no hairdryer in the gents, but there is in the ladies, and that's 20p again to use. So that's it. So down there is more, I think, private stuff. Let's have a quick look. I didn't look at these before. Yeah, so that's the maintenance shack. And then round there, looks like they're going for the new L-sand dump. And then round there is the house and the back of the driveway. So this here is the owner's house there on the side. So you ring the bell to get attention. He comes from the house. Rob, I think his name was, yeah, Rob. He's a nice chap. So that's it. He looks at 9 o'clock. These roller shutters come down. He lifts them up again. You can go in there. And as I say, this is all the area for ordering your chippy and your teas out. We had Chinese last night. It was really nice. So much so that we've got it for tea tonight for dinner. It has massive amounts, like 2-person set meal for 40 quid with 3 main courses, was a ridiculous amount of food. So there you go. So that's Ashfields Caravan and Touring Park, just outside York. If you like this sort of video, or have you been here before, actually, leave us a comment, because it's only a small site, and really there's not many people who have been here, only us, as I say, as the meetup for Motorhome Happiness. But it's been great, we've enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll come back for the next set of rallies that James is having for Motorhome Happiness. And on that note, I'll leave you to it. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. It costs nothing, it helps us. We're on about 109 subscribers. I think it's not a lot, and we're not bothered about that, but the more subscribers we get, the better. Leave the video a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Have you been here before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What's wrong with it? What do you like about it? What could be improved? I know the biggest improvement would be that room there needs its own heating, because it was freezing last night. It was really cold. But other than that, the site's great. We love it. It's close to York. It was £9.97 in an Uber to go to Monk's Cross Shopping Centre, and then 13 quid back because it was a different time of day. What else did we do? Oh, and then we shared an Uber yesterday with Judith and Steve Fox, and it was £12.70 into York, and then £12.70 back. So we split it, and which was great. So it's not expensive really if you want to get a day out in York. But there we go. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.